Good morning to all of you. Now see this video, global policy to protect environment. Here I am reading, then say the question answer also, you go through it. Here we are reading about the global warming or the greenhouse effect, like that. On realizing that human activities are the root cause of destruction of the environment, the countries of the world gathered at Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, in 1972 to think of ways to protect the environment. Another convention was held at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Telling here nothing कि when the global warming extreme reach into extreme, pollution created everywhere, then some developed country they just realized it is not good for the world environment, so they started to conduct meeting in various places. In the meeting held at Copenhagen, capital city of Denmark, in the year 2009, to discuss global warming, it was observed that the developed nations are not accepting the carbon cut. Means in the meeting when they were raised this voice कि we just reduce the stop the factories, some factories or like that, so the carbon dioxide gas cannot be emitted in the atmosphere. तो whatever the developed country थे उस टाइम में they are not creating any pollution in their continent or country, so they were not ready to stop anything in their places. That is telling here the techniques to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, and the developing nations were increasing pressure for the reduction of emission of greenhouse gases. और जो डेवलपिंग कंट्री थे जो खुद रेस्पॉन्सिबल है वो इस पे ज़्यादा जोर दे रहे थे कि कैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को के लिए सारी चीज़ों को थोड़ा रिड्यूस किया जाए. It was decided to give an aid of $100 billion for the development of developing nation. कह रहे हैं कि पुअर टेक्नोलॉजी, द डेवलपिंग कंट्री हैविंग पुअर टेक्नोलॉजी, that's why they are emitting or a lot of poisonous gases in the atmosphere. That's why the developed country they were giving $100 billion to the developing country, जिनका भी डेवलप नहीं हुआ है उनको $100 प्रोवाइड कर रहे थे, जिससे कि वो नए नए टेक्नोलॉजी ले आए और जिससे कि ये पॉल्यूशन कम हो, लाइक दैट. In this meeting, 59 research papers from 45 countries were presented, and through it, the leaders of the world were made to think seriously regarding the changing climate. On the average, a citizen in the world emits 4.5 metric ton carbon dioxide. Indian citizen emits 1.2 metric ton carbon dioxide. Other developing nations release far lesser carbon dioxide gas. तो here you just see कि here the average are telling कि average means per citizen, one individual person in a world emit how much 4.5 metric ton carbon dioxide releasing, or in our country Indian citizen emits 1.2 metric ton carbon dioxide. Other developing nation releases far lesser carbon dioxide gas. कह रहे हैं दूसरे जो कंट्रीज़ है वो इंडिया के कंपेरेटिवली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस कम रिलीज़ करते हैं. लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ कंसेशंस शुड बी गिवन फॉर डेवलपमेंट एंड मोर रेस्ट्रिक्शन शुड बी इम्पोज्ड ऑन द कंट्रीज़ like the USA. As an average American emits 20.6 metric ton carbon dioxide. इसलिए सारे डेवलपिंग कंट्री को बहुत सारे एड दे के हेल्प करके उनको हेल्प किया गया और कुछ चीज़ों पे रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगाए गए जिससे कि पॉल्यूशन कम हो सके. और लास्ट लाइन इज टेलिंग द USA एज एन एवरेज अमेरिकन emits 20.6 metric ton carbon dioxide in a year. Now question answer, see what is climate. It is given very in your book very clearly. Then what do you mean by greenhouse effect, also you go through the greenhouse effect video also I have sent you that video, through also you can write yourself the answer. Otherwise, here you see greenhouse. Global warming refers to an unequal and continual rise in the average temperature of Earth's climate system due to greenhouse gases. And what is the question asking? What is greenhouse? अच्छा, greenhouse effect asking. What do you mean by greenhouse effect? Through greenhouse effect means you have to say, here you will get, wait 1 minute. See, just you write ki greenhouse, due to greenhouse gases, uh, due to greenhouse gases, in the put comma, then write in the atmosphere entrap, in the atmosphere, don't write the atmosphere entrap infrared radiation. This effect make the planet warmer, which subsequently reaches to global warming. Then you write, give some example of gases that you will get here. See, methane, or here see here also you will get the effect. The greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, all halocarbon play an active role in greenhouse effect, and the increase in the proportion of these gases lead to the problem of global warming and climate change. From here and from above, you just go through and arrange the answer yourself. Now next question, what is global warming? Also given in definition in your book, you write yourself. List down the possible adverse effect of global warming. So you just put the heading, the possible adverse effect of global warming. Then effect also given in your book. From there you 8 line you write, from there the effect of global warming. See here somewhere it is here, effect of global warming. Then list down the home appliances of daily use or that add to global warming, that you do yourself. 6.1, which country hosted the last World Convention to protect the environment? Which country hosted the last World Convention to protect the environment? According to book you go to, then you will see this second stanza, first line. Copenhagen, capital city of Denmark, in 2009. This line you arrange as an answer of this question. Then what steps should be taken to prevent global warming? Global warming को रोकने के लिए क्या किया जाए? That is also given in your book. The last solutions are given. See, measures to prevent global warming. Now next question, from this prevent global warming में 8 lines you have to write. Write the first line as a heading, then note down the 8 point. Discuss the adverse effect of climate change. What are the adverse effect? Adverse effect is there.